Problem number 1 from your homework.
Whoa.
We are told to calculate the angle and the radius and the arc length.
What page is this, Mr. Adams?
This is page 52. So I don't know what problems we'll do. I'll do the first one. It's 5 pi over 8. So we've got 5 pi over 8. It gives us a radius of 2 and it wants to know the arc length. So remember, it's standing room only. So the arc length is, we don't know. And the radius is 2. And theta is 5 pi over 8, which is 10 pi over 8, which is 5 pi over 4. So the arc length is 5 pi over 4. Thank you very much. Now, I said earlier, let me do problem number 2, because I know somebody will ask me, Mr. Adams, problem number 2, I don't know what to do. So, here they give us 175 degrees, then they tell us that the radius, they don't tell us the radius, and they tell us what the arc length is. So it's still standing room only, but the problem is that theta needs to be in radians. So there's lots of ways that you could do this. You could do this on your calculator if you're lazy, but 175 degrees equals something in radians. What's the relationship between radians?
Pi over 180.
Pi over 180. So it'd be pi over 180. Wait, if we're going to set it up as a proportion, there's 2 ways to do this. Do we want to do a conversion factor like converting units, or do we want to do a proportion? Let's do a proportion. I feel like doing it that way. What's on top, degrees or radians? Degrees, so I put 180 degrees on top. What goes on bottom here? Pi. So
Then this is just confusing because if you're converting, you don't do it. Never mind.
if I say 175 degrees times pi is equal to, and I don't know what this is, so we'll just plug in a number, theta. All right, so I'm going to get 180 degrees theta. Divide both sides by 180 degrees. And what is that? Oh man, that's like some crazy, huh? 175 divided by,
not 175 pi divided by. Wait, I don't know.
It's like 3.05.
Yeah.
yeah, 3.05.
That's what I got.
No, let's just reduce it. Let's go crazy. Let's just reduce it. What can we divide 175 by, like, what, 5? What's 175 divided by 5?
35.
35. What's 180 divided by 5?
36.
36. So it's 35 over 36 pi. Okay? So we're gonna say that. We're gonna say 35 over 36 pi. All right. So if it's standing room only and I want to find the radius, that's what we're looking for, then I'm going to solve algebraically. It should be theta divided by the arc length. Is that right? All right. So then the radius is equal to theta, which is 35 over 36 pi. Now couldn't I write this though as theta times 1 over s?
If you wanted to, yeah.
Yep, so that's what I'm going to do. Times 1 over 10. So my radius is equal to 35 over 360 pi. Somehow I think we... No, that's not, that's right.
That's right.
And then what do we do?
Reduce again.
So we've got 7 over, what is that? 72? 72. pi.
Hey, buddy.
You're bored.
It's so annoying.
The only problem is that the answer in the back of the book is backwards.
That's
Maybe
crazy.
it's because it wasn't appropriated and then they didn't multiply by nothing.
Yeah.
I think you solved for R, I think it's S over theta. Yeah.
Did I do that wrong?
Yeah, it's S over theta.
Because S is, it's S.
Oh, you're right. I did it
Yeah.
backward. Okay, all right. So, okay, good. So, yeah, so this is backwards, right? So this should be S over theta. You guys got to pay attention, man, and catch me before I get that far. So then the answer in the back of the book is right. It's 72 pi over 7. That's what the answer is. So we just got to flip-flop all this stuff. So what it would be is we would say, and we don't need this anymore. I thought it was looking goofy. So then it would be 10, right, over 35 over 36 pi. But remember, when you divide by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. And so it'd be 36 over 35 pi, right? Which would be 360 over 35. And then it'd be 35 pi. The pi would go underneath. And then pi goes down here. Thank you guys for catching that for me. So this would be 72 over 7 and pi. Oh, and the pi doesn't go on the top. It goes underneath here under the 7.
Under the 7 or?
Well, with the 7, it goes in the denominator. So, anyway, I'm sorry about the goof up there, but even though I goofed up, did you guys see what we did there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you can I